Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking the exact spot you want to inspect. Set breakpoints where logic branches or values are produced. Once done, confirm your run/debug configuration matches the module and JVM or interpreter you need. Make sure project builds cleanly. Then press Shift plus F9 or click Debug to launch. You will see the debug and console windows populate. As you hit the breakpoint, the IDE pauses execution, so you can examine variables, threads, and stack frames in real time. You now control execution to uncover the bug. Use step over for current line, step into when you want deeper call context, and step out to finish the current function quickly. While paused, expand variables and pin those you monitor frequently. Use the Evaluate Expression tool to run quick snippets and mutate state for experimentation. Also switch between threads to find race conditions and inspect the call stack to trace the origin of values. These controls let you narrow root causes without guesswork. You complete debugging by applying a minimal, testable fix and rerunning the scenario under debug or normal run to confirm the problem is resolved. Use resume program or run to cursor for rapid checks, and commit only when behavior is verified. If the debugger misbehaves, breakpoints not hit or stale variables, try invalidating caches and restarting IntelliJ, or recreate the run configuration. These steps resolve most environment issues. Finally, add a focus test so the bug cannot regress unnoticed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.